Welcome to Bento Biolab, where DIY biology and art collide. Today we're going to be reviewing something really special that is made for scientists, educators, and tech enthusiasts alike. The product we'll unbox today is called the Bento Lab. It is an innovative nucleic acids workstation that is transforming accessibility to molecular biology. First, we'll open the shipping box. Inside the box, we've got a gel imaging hood, a standard charger, and the device itself. The box containing the device has a visual representation of the Bento Lab on the outside. The device is 330mm long by 214mm wide, with a depth of 81mm. It weighs only 3.5 kilograms, which makes it really easy to carry and travel with. It also has Wi-Fi capabilities for software updates released by Bento Bio. And aesthetically, it looks quite pleasing. The device basically is composed of 3 modules, which I'm showing here after removing the rubber bands. You have on the bottom a tube rack which you can use to hold samples, and you have a gel electrophoresis unit which can be used to image and cast gels. There are also 2 plus and minus power plugs which are plugged directly into the device to provide power to the gel electrophoresis unit. And there's also a transilluminator built into the device itself. In the center of the console we have a variable speed centrifuge which is able to achieve a centrifugal force of up to 8,000 G. And last but not least, we have the Thermocycler, which has 36 slots for PCR tubes and is digitally programmed using the interface on the front of the device. The gel imaging hood is pretty cool. It comes actually unfolded, and to put it together, you simply just fold it together like a piece of origami. And on the front is an orange filter, which you can use to take images with your phone of your gels. I decided to test the device in a makeshift laboratory built inside my bathroom. Here I did a Gibson assembly and took the positive colonies I had and did restriction mapping and genotyping PCR. While I'm doing this, I figured I would explain more of the differences between the entry and pro models of the device. Bento Bio offers 2 configurations of the Bento Lab on their official website, allowing you to choose between the entry level and the pro version, which comes with additional capabilities for an extra $400 US. What we have here is the Pro version, which is tailored for ambitious and professional research and teaching applications. One of the standout features of the Pro model is the Thermocycler, which can reach temperatures between 12 degrees Celsius and 105 degrees Celsius, and supports touchdown PCR, allowing for more complex and precise DNA amplification. It boasts a variable speed centrifuge with a maximum force of 8,000 G, which is significantly more powerful than the entry model, which is fixed. This makes it suitable for a wider range of centrifugation tasks, including DNA precipitation and using spin column DNA extraction. The electrophoresis system is also more versatile, offering variable voltage ranging from 30 volts to 120 volts, giving you greater control over your DNA separation process. And like the entry model, the Pro also includes a blue light transilluminator. Overall, based on these differences, if you wanted to do more advanced DNA extractions and cloning, I would recommend that you get the Pro model. So now that I had a chance to do some cloning and genetic engineering with the device for about 3 days, I want to share some of my thoughts. First, the things that I really liked. The device is really well built, it's sleek, it's just really fun to have in your hands, and it's very compact, so you can really easily fit this in a suitcase or in your backpack. It's just really nice. I also like that it has good software support, and even when I first turned it on, it seemed like it was already getting Wi-Fi updates from Bento Bio. Now I'd like to share some of the things which I didn't like about this device. Cost and the affordability. The device, to be frank, is expensive for what it is. You can actually buy all of these separate pieces, such as the centrifuge, the gel electrophoresis unit, and the PCR machine, for less than half the price of what this device costs. I really think that if this device was to be marketed towards citizen scientists and DIY biologists, the price needs to come down. The other criticism I have for the device is that the wheel to select options is a little bit finicky, and so it takes some time to get used to turning the selection wheel on the device, but this is more of a minor issue than anything else. In the right hands of somebody who's experienced and has proper training, this device can be used to do a lot in a very small amount of space. However, you still need to get the enzymes, the materials, and you need to have proper experimental design for your experiments to actually do good science with this device. It will not teach you how to do it yourself. You need to put in the work to learn how to use it. Overall, would I buy this device again? I certainly would actually, if price wasn't such a big concern. So thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.